Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking Channel. Today I will share with you a delicious pumpkin recipe. It's a simple and quick recipe made with roasted peanut, garlic, red chili and green chili. For making this recipe I took 3 medium-sized capsicum. You can take any color of capsicum, red, yellow or green. Divide the capsicum into half. Hold 2 to 3 pieces together and cut into strips. I will cut the capsicum lengthwise. For any mixed vegetable recipe, cutting of vegetables should be similar. Our capsicum is cut put aside. I took 250 grams pumpkin. I have not removed the skin because pumpkin skin is edible and it's nutritious. Cut the pumpkin pieces lengthwise like capsicum. Now mix the capsicum and pumpkin pieces together. Now I will make a masala. I took half small bowl peanut, 4 garlic cloves, 2 dried red chili and green red chili. Roast all of them and after it's completely cool, grind without mixing any water. Turn on the heat, put a kadai, add a tablespoon cooking oil. After oil is hot, add quarter teaspoon fenugreek seeds and a dried red chili. Saute for a few seconds until it's fragrant. Then add capsicum and pumpkin pieces. Stir for 2 minutes over medium to high heat. Then add salt according to your taste and add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. In this recipe, I will not add any other spices like cumin powder and coriander powder because it's tasty without any masala. Fry the pumpkin and capsicum pieces until it's slightly color change. The same recipe you can make with green pumpkin. Stir for 2 minutes, then add our previously prepared peanut and garlic chutney. You can store this chutney for 1 week. Now put a lid, cover for 5 minutes over low flame. After 5 minutes open the lid, stir for 2 to 3 minutes over medium to low heat. Sprinkle some water and cover for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes open the lid. See, our yummy pumpkin recipe is ready for serving. Serve this with roti or chapati. Thanks for watching.